Creating engaging product tutorials is crucial because they do a lot of heavy lifting for your smart home device. While their main purpose is to educate on installation, it's important to consider how they're viewed. Most people will use tutorials to install the device, but pro installers also use them on the job, and many potential buyers watch them before purchasing to understand ease of use. This makes product tutorials a significant part of your trust marketing, helping you gain customers. So, how do you create engaging product tutorials? Firstly, one size does not fit all. Since tutorials serve multiple purposes, create specific ones for different groups. For general marketing, produce a polished, engaging tutorial. For after-sales support, offer a detailed tutorial accessible via the device app or email. And for pro and trades, provide a more technical tutorial that dives deep into the installation process. Secondly, add real-world examples and tips. Be clear in explaining the process, but also include useful tips, tricks, or personal insights. These personalized touches make a significant difference in keeping the video engaging. Lastly, choose the right person to front the tutorial. It should be someone who can infuse their personality into the video. Let them share how they personally use the device. This personalization is why influencer unboxing and installation videos perform so well. They create a human connection, so making viewers more likely to engage. Therefore, make sure the person is very much a big part of any installation video. Focus on creating a human connection to effectively showcase your smart home device.